So this is the Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial and Tiruvalluvar statue at the bank of Indian Ocean in Kanyakumari. That is a confluence of also three ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So let's see, it is a very unique where Swami Vivekananda came and used to meditate at this place. That is in the memorial form. This is a Swami Vivekananda Memorial. Here I am also going by cruise and ship. I am trying to go there, and it is located at the point, it is known as the last point of India also, because I hope you know very well, everyone know about, aware about the Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So this is the last end of India, and after that there is Sri Lanka, and even Rameswaram is also from here. So I will go to Rameswaram also from here. And let's see, this is located at nearby the temple of Bhagirathi Kumari Amma temple, which is also so popular and unique temple in Kanyakumari. So I already got a place of Bhagirathi Amma temple, and I am come here to see the confluence of three ocean. I am taking the wave, and even the sound waves and wind is also blowing so good, and I am feeling good here. And even Mahatma Gandhi also came. So already I visited Mahatma Gandhi Mandapam and one more Mandapam is here. So let's see how it is the places. So Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial is a monument which is popular for the memorial stand on one of the two rocks located about 500 meters away from the mainland in Kanyakumari, and it was built by Eknath Ramakrishna Renare, who was a social reformer and a spiritual reformer and senior pracharak of RSS in 1970, in honor of Swami Vivekananda ji, who said to have attained enlightenment on this rock. So that's reason it is so popular. And we can see there is another statue, that is a Tiruvalluvar statue, who are a great Tamil saint. So we can find many more things on the name of Tiruvalluvar, like there is also a two district, Tiruvalluvar and Tiruvallur district in Tamil Nadu, two district. So we can see, and right now I just to take a ferry to go to Kanyakumari, go Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial on rock. So let's see how it is the ferry. Inside the ferry it is just like a ship, because many more visitors are going, and devotee of Lord Vivekananda ji going, and we can feel the sea waves how it is going. And I am also feeling today here, because I am going through the mainland to the island of Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial, which is so good. So I am also feeling so good, and because of the unique sea waves, sound waves, and many more things that I am enjoying here, that is just very unique things. So even it was the rock that goddess Kanyakumari, that means Parvati, also performed a fiance means tapasya in devotion of Lord Shiva. So that is also here. So that's reason I am also feeling very well. That is one of the Shakti Peeth of India, also Bhagwati Devi Amma temple, that is known as the Kanyakumari in simple language. So I also took a place of goddess Kanyakumari as a Bhagwati Devi. So look at this statue of Tiruvalluvar. Many people are confused, because many people thought that this is a statue of Kanyakumari, but this is not a statue of Kanyakumari. This is a statue of Tiruvalluvar, Kanyakumari temple in another side, on mainland, which is also so popular. So I just came right now. So let's see, I am going. So it was the rock, already I explained, and even it is believed that Swami Vivekananda swam across the seashore in Kanyakumari to reach the rock in mid-sea and meditate for 3 days and nights on the rock until he is said to have attained enlightenment here at this place. So due to that reason, this place is a so unique and sacred place for us. And Swami Vivekananda reached Kanyakumari on 24 December in 1892, where he was still unable to formulate an ideas to help the masses of the country. In Kanyakumari, he swam across the ocean to reach a large mid rock, and he sat on the rock and started meditating on India's past, present and future. And he took the resolution to dedication his life to serve humanity in our country along with across the world. And Let's he start the meditation at this place, so we can see the rock on he start meditation, that is nowadays where he meditate on this rock. Is also a Vivekanand Mandap here, where nowadays Narendra Modi also came to do meditation for like for 48 hours in this place in Vivekanand Memorial. So even his meditations on the last bit of Indian rock, later known as Swami Vivekanand Rock Memorial, continued for 3 days from 25 to 27 December in 1892, and he had a vision of one India and came up with a solution in the form of resolution, which is properly known as Kanyakumari Resolve of 1892. And the purpose of resolution was to organize sannyasis for social service and reformer. So this is the story regarding the Swami Vivekananda Memorial, and we can see how it is just like island. So it is a very good, that is a confluence of 3 ocean, 1 ocean and 2 sea, that is a Bay of Bengal Sea and Arabian Sea confluence along with the Indian Ocean, that is known as also the Triveni Sangam of ocean and seas, where Mahatma Gandhi also came and meditated and stayed here. And in initiation 1962, on the occasion of Swami Vivekananda's birth centenary, a group of people from the Kanyakumari committee who brought objective 2 was put up a memories on rock. The Ramakrishna Mission in Madras began planning his memories. However, this news was not taken in good taste by local Catholic fishermen. They put up a big cross on the rock visible of shore, that is known as the Christianity, symbol of Christianity, and they put up a cross visible from shore, and they led to protest by the Hindu who said that rock was a place of worship for Hindus, and then a judicial probe ordered by Madras government that rock was Vivekananda rock and that cross was trespass because of Christians told that this is St. Xavier rock. That was false. So this is the main gate to go inside the Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial. So we can see how it is that. And Swami Vivekananda, who was also born as a Narendranath Datta, was an Indian Hindu monk, philosopher, author, spiritual teacher and chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, who was an Indian mystic saint, and he was a key figure in the introduction of Vedanta and Yoga to Western world and father of modern Indian nationalization. And we know that Swami Vivekananda ji is best known in the United States for his grand. Let's see, this is the same rock where Swami Vivekananda sat for 3 days in the year of 1892 in Kanyakumari in 26 December, 27 and 28 December in 1892, and where he got enlightenment and attained enlightenment at the same rock. So let's see how it is the rock. On his birth anniversary of November 19, 2024, for this grand Vivekananda Rock Memorial, which he erected by gathering the support of whole nation. So let's see how it is the rock. And on the same rock Swami Vivekananda Memorial built. Let's see how it is the rock, which is located at the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. So let's see how it is the rock. I am also feeling and I touch the rock. Let's see. Oh my God. On the same rock where Swami Vivekananda sat and meditated here for 3 days and got enlightenment and learned about the world, the past, future and present of India. So let's see, it is a so unique place. How is the rock here? He came with solution and he got resolution here at this place. After doing meditation for 3 days, he got enlightenment here. So let's see. And how is the ocean? We can see and we can feel. my god, rain also came, let's see. Rain came and lots of persons are running and coming. Hide yourself. And Swami Vivekanand ji, best known in the United States for his groundbreaking speech to the 1893 on 11 September in Chicago, given by him in World Parliament of Religion. That was he introduced Hinduism to America and called for religious tolerance and end to fanaticism. That was introduced by him and told his most powerful speech given at this in Chicago. That was a brother and sister of America. So thousands of persons who clapped there during the speech time of Swami Vivekananda given by him in Chicago on 11 September 1893. So that is a very memorable. And even on 12 January National Youth Day, also known as the Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, that we are celebrating very well. So right now I am returning from here and I am going back by ferry again to the mainland in Kanyakumari. So let's see how it is looking. Really, I got a very good experience, and even I also meditate here. I meditate for 1 hour in Vivekananda Mandapam also. And also I book some spiritual book from there based on the life of Swami Vivekananda. So I got a very good memory here. So even you know that very well, Ramakrishna Mission is a registered and society engaged in the service of mankind in a spirit of service of God in man. And it was founded by also Sri Ramakrishna's chief disciple Swami Vivekananda, who is regarded as one of the main molders of the modern world in 1897 at Belur Math, the headquarters of Ramakrishna Mission and Math located at Belur Math in Kolkata. So let's see, I am going to mainland. So even we know that very well, Swami Vivekananda, some disciples like the first disciple of Swami Vivekananda was Sadanand, and the female disciple of Swami Vivekananda who was also an Irish teacher whose name was Sister Nivedita, who was also a very great social reformer who worked in India for humanity. During the pandemic of plague, she also worked in Kolkata, who died in Darjeeling. So we can find so many school name of the Sister Nivedita here, like Sister Nivedita High School and many more things. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks.